Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's practice is for anyone who has ever said, I can't do yoga, I'm not flexible. And if that's you, you're exactly where you need to be. So you don't need anything special to start. You can just grab a pillow off your couch and you can come put that underneath and come into a comfortable seat. If this position is completely unavailable to you, try propping yourself up a little higher. But if it's completely unavailable, you can bring in a chair. That's totally okay. We're going to come to settle into our practice. I invite you to lower your gaze, close down your eyes, come to your breath. We're going to take 3 deep breaths here to land in our practice. Ground down through your sits bones, lengthen through the spine, drop your shoulders back and down. We're going to bring our arms up, clasping onto our elbows, and we're just going to do a little rock to the left and then to the right. You might want to close down your eyes in case you get a little dizzy. Come through center, lower down your arms. Let's take a few neck circles here. We're going to drop our head back and around. Chin to chest, roll across. Moving the opposite way. All right, we're gonna make our way into tabletop. If your knees give you issues, this is another great place where you can find a pillow to pad the knees. And bringing your wrists under your shoulders, knees under your hips. We're slowly going to begin our cat-cow. Inhaling to drop your belly, chest comes forward. Exhale, you're going to round, tuck your tail, drop chin to chest. I invite you to do 2 more. Sit back. If you have your pillow, you can let that go. We're going to come into a downward facing dog. Tuck your toes. Send your hips up and back. Now, heels can be extremely lifted here. Knees can even be really bent. You want a nice straight line from the crown to the tail. Let's hold here for 3 deep breaths. We'll lower to our knees. Walk your hands back towards your knees. And let's roll up to standing. We're going to come into a forward fold here. Don't worry about touching your toes. What you want to think about is the stress and the tension in the neck and the shoulders, and you want to allow that to relax and release down. I invite you to take your awareness to the soles of your feet. Really feeling that nice stretch come all the way up the back body and down and over through the shoulders. See if you can relax your head a little more. Let's take 3 deep breaths here. Slowly roll all the way up. Roll your shoulders back, palms facing forward, coming into mountain pose. Really considering alignment here. We're not worrying about depth. We're worrying about or considering alignment. All right, I invite you to come standing wide on your mat, as wide as you can, toes pointed away from the body, knees tracking the toes, hands by your side. Inhale, we're gonna lift our arms up, and exhale, drop them down. Inhale up, and exhale down. Let's do 3 more. And come on down. All right, let's take our awareness to our left foot. We're gonna turn our left foot to the small edge of our mat, and I want you to bend your knee just over your ankle. Straighten the spine. We're gonna bring our arms out left to right. Gaze over your left middle finger. You've now come into warrior 2. Let's hold for 3 breaths. Bring your hands down. Let's pivot that left foot back to where it was, and we're gonna come over to the right side. Bend the right knee over the right ankle. Arms come up and gaze over your right middle finger. 3 deep breaths. Bring your arms down, right foot turns back, Let's take a nice deep stretch while we're here. Inhale, open through the heart, open up. And exhale. Hands come to your hips. We're going to make our way down to the mat. And you might want to grab a pillow again. I'm going to grab 2. And just stick those under your butt and bring your legs out. This helps to lift the hips. And we're just gonna be present here. We're not trying to do anything. We're not trying to touch our toes. Worrying about considering alignment. All right. What you're going to do is you are going to bring your hands forward, palms facing each other, really worrying just right now about the shoulders over the hip. Okay? Holding here. Once you feel stable here, simply reach your fingertips forward. Keep the chest open. And wherever you land is perfectly fine. Let's hold here for 3 deep breaths. Release your arms, move the pillows away. We're going to come all the way onto our backs, coming in to Shavasana, our final resting pose. Coming back to your room, back to your body, back to your breath. Wiggling fingers and toes, rocking your head side to side. I invite you to bring your hands up, rub your palms together. Feel that nice warm energy. Place your hands over your heart. Take a nice deep breath in and out to close your practice. Thank you so much for sharing your time and energy with me today. If you've enjoyed this practice, please like, please subscribe, and please share with a friend. Bye for now.